hiccups.
Oh my god.
She said, you guys can't. She said, listen.
I'm nervous for her.
She said, you keep.
They keep making me laugh. Kristen and Frank.
She said, you guys keep making me not be cured. She said,
Well, so you stop it. We'll be cured. Okay.
how are you trying to cure your hiccups? Excuse me, ma'am.
You're eating sugar.
How are you
to
sure?
cure yourself?
It normally. She's like, there's something happening. Oh. Okay. It normally works. I have a different idea. Okay.
You want to do pancakes to cure yourself?
Yeah, we're gonna make pancakes. You have to fill a cup and you have to take little sips.
Why do you have
like
a teaspoon of sugar right now?
I'm trying to cure my hiccups.